Is it time to buy or sell MicroStrategy Incorporated stock? In this video, we're diving deep into MicroStrategy Incorporated. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 5th of June, 2025. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 5th of June, 2025, our system has ranked MicroStrategy Incorporated as a sell candidate, giving it a score of -4.49. Now, let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. We will continue monitoring this evaluation to observe how it unfolds in the coming days. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating a likely continuation of this rise. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 45% over the coming 3 months, with an expected return ranging from 29% to 80%. In the longer term, our analysis over 12 months indicates a projected change of around 81%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 39% to 205% over the next year. In practical terms, this would suggest a future price between $510 and $1,125. Our latest daily update for MicroStrategy Incorporated highlights a significant change. MicroStrategy Incorporated stock has been downgraded from a buy candidate to a sell candidate following the trading session on Thursday. On the last trading day, the price of MicroStrategy Incorporated stock decreased by 2.46%, dropping from $378.10 to $368.79. During that day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 5.79%, reaching a low of $364.30 and a high of $385.38. The stock has declined in 6 out of the last 10 days, resulting in an overall decrease of 8.42% during this period. Notably, the trading volume surged by 3 million shares on the last day, despite the falling prices, which may signal an early warning and indicate a slightly increased risk in the coming days. In total, 12 million shares changed hands for approximately $4.3 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price recorded for the stock was $543, while the lowest was $102.40. Currently, the stock price stands at 32.08%, or $174.21, below the 52-week high of $543, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. MicroStrategy Incorporated, or MSTR, is currently under scrutiny as a wave of class action lawsuits has been filed against the company, alleging violations of federal securities laws during a specific period last year. These legal challenges could significantly affect investor sentiment, raising concerns about the company's governance and transparency. The number of lawsuits and the urgency for investors to act before the July 15, 2025 deadline indicate a potential escalation in legal risks, which may lead to volatility in MSTR's stock price in the short term. Additionally, MicroStrategy's recent announcement of a new preferred stock has reportedly met with lackluster demand. This could signal investor hesitation or lack of confidence in the company's financial strategy, further complicating its market position. As MicroStrategy is the largest corporate holder of Bitcoin, fluctuations in the cryptocurrency market could also amplify price reactions, making MSTR stock particularly sensitive to external market conditions. In the long term, if the company can successfully resolve these legal issues and stabilize its operations, it may recover and regain investor trust. However, the ongoing legal challenges could linger, dampening institutional investments and affecting long-term profitability. Therefore, both the immediate legal landscape and broader market dynamics around cryptocurrencies will be crucial for MSTR's stock performance moving forward. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 19th of May, 2025, it was reported that Canaccord Genuity assigned MSTR a buy rating with a hold action. On the same day, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald gave MSTR a hold rating with a hold action. Also on that day, Barclays rated MSTR as hold with a hold action. On Friday, the 16th of May, 2025, UBS rated MSTR as buy with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 14th of May, 2025, BTIG rated MSTR as buy with a hold action. Analysts have assigned MicroStrategy Incorporated stock a general strong sell rating. The price-to-earnings ratio is also rated as strong sell, along with the price-to-book ratio. In terms of return on investment, analysts have similarly given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for MicroStrategy Incorporated. Currently, there are few to no causative technical signals. The stock of MicroStrategy Incorporated presents sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook. Moreover, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two averages, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance can be expected at levels of $372.93 and $379.44. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was recorded from a pivot top point on Tuesday, May 13, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 12.53%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume increased while prices fell yesterday, which could serve as an early warning. Therefore, the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 17 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 7 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 4 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 10 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal from 33 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 24 days ago. For more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for MicroStrategy Incorporated. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $304.11 and $296.86. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as a break below this point may lead to a decline to the next support level. In this case, MicroStrategy Incorporated finds support just below today's level at $304.11. If this is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $296.86 and $293.61. This stock experiences average movements throughout the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $21.08 between its high and low, which is a change of 5.79%. For the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 4.14%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for MicroStrategy Incorporated, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even established companies can experience downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may signal insufficient profit and possible bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 30th of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at -3 cents. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for MicroStrategy Incorporated. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for MicroStrategy Incorporated is at $369.51. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, MicroStrategy Incorporated encounters its first support level at $304.11. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for MicroStrategy Incorporated from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by Carl J. Rickardson, who bought and sold 39,870 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 19.082. Overall, insiders purchased 122,067 shares and sold 180,068 shares in the last 100 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is MicroStrategy Incorporated stock a good buy? The stock of MicroStrategy Incorporated presents several negative signals. Despite a positive trend, we anticipate that MicroStrategy Incorporated will perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative evaluation of this stock. Given some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our recommendation from a buy to a sell candidate since our last evaluation. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, June 6th, we expect MicroStrategy Incorporated to open higher by $4.03, starting at $372.82. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.